Ever find your hiring notes scattered across meetings, emails, and docs? With Inspira System, you can turn that chaos into a single, simple tracker. I started with a direct prompt. I asked Inspira System for a table to help me track open roles, status, owners, and next steps, so nothing falls through the cracks. In seconds, Inspira System pulls everything together. I get a clear internal tracker listing each role, its current status, the owner, and review notes, all in one place. It even defines what each status means, suggests a weekly check-in cadence, and calls out best practices like updating next steps right after review calls and confirming ownership to keep things moving. With Inspira System, and yes, even this AI version of me, you can bring scattered hiring details into focus and actually move your process forward. Don't just collect notes. Use AI tools like this to stay organized, aligned, and get your team hired faster.